No crash. Did you hear that? No crash cymbals anywhere to be seen on the song. Today we're going to cover where have all the crash cymbals gone. And this is a trend that I've been noticing over quite a few years now. You know, back in the day when we had real drummers and bass players and guitarists and keyboard players and singers, and most music was acoustic, most music was or electric, it was recorded. And the way that you would transition from a verse into a chorus would be a drum fill, and then a crash into the chorus. And that kind of added that like punctuation that we needed to, it kind of like subconsciously tells you you're in the next section. It kind of splashes into the chorus and makes the chorus that little bit bigger. And for many decades there was no such thing as a song that didn't have a crash, at least in the chorus. And I've been noticing lately that there doesn't seem to be many songs anymore that use crash cymbals to tell us that we're in the chorus anymore, or into any section for that matter. So I thought to myself, let's have a look at this systematically and scientifically, and let's see if we can analyze and see, are there crash cymbals in the charts? Are people still using crash cymbals, and should we use crash cymbals? That's a good question. Let's have a look. We are going to go to the charts. We're going to go to Apple Music, and I've got the top 100 global charts. So this is the daily global charts for Apple Music, and it changes every day, and it's the democratization of the charts. So this is what people are actually listening to right now all over the world. It's based on the global streaming numbers. So this song here, Wait For You, is the most streamed song today on Apple Music. Now, Spotify have their own charts. It's always very similar. You'll find the Spotify and the Apple charts are close, but they won't be exactly the same, but 90% the same. So what we're going to do today is we'll go through a few songs and we'll see, can we find crash cymbals in the song? So let's start with this song. Here we go. This is going into the chorus. No crash. Did you hear that? Not even a drum fill, nothing. The song just goes into the chorus, and there's absolutely nothing to tell us that it's the chorus. It's the #1 song in the world right now, the most streamed song on the planet, and there's no crash cymbal. So let's go to the next track, As It Was, Harry Styles. Was that a crash cymbal I heard, or was that the ride cymbal playing a little bit louder in the first note? I'm not sure. It sounded like there might have been a crash cymbal there. He's holding me. That's the verse. No crash cymbal. This is the pre-chorus. We go going into the chorus. Same as it was. I'm not sure if I heard a crash there. Let's listen to that again. As it was. I don't think there was a crash cymbal there. So that was, I think, just the ride starting to play. Let's give it a 50% crash cymbal. Maybe there was a crash cymbal there. It's very hard to tell. It's very soft. Let's go to the next track. This is Mi Porto Bonito, Bad Bunny. That's the intro. No crash there. No crash cymbals anywhere to be seen on the song. Then we had a reverse cymbal, but no crash. And there was a drum fill, so at least there was a drum fill at least. So yeah, that's 3 songs in a row. 2 without a crash, 1 with half a crash. First Class, Jack Harlow. I've been no crash coming into the chorus. Actually, it starts with the chorus. No crash into the verse. To believe it. I've been no crash cymbal, guys. That's 3 songs out of 4. Let's get to the next one. Bad Bunny again. Titi me pregunto. Titi me preguntó si tengo muchas no. Okay, no crash into the chorus, actually. Un VIP. There's a crash there. Very low crash. Softly done. Finally, we found a crash there. That's 2 crashes out of 5 and 3 without a crash. Let's go to the next track. Late Night Talking, Harry Styles. Hit a drum fill, nice drum fill, but no crash. We've been doing all this. No crash into the chorus. So we got 2 crashes out of 6, but 4 with no crash. Another Bad Bunny song. No No crash.
Yo no sé si yo
No crashes on this song. 2 out of 7 now have got crashes. Future, the song is called Puffin' on Zooties.
Chief had a flight, nigga.
No crash.
They copy my lingo, they bite him.
I don't hear any crashes on this song. That's 2 out of 8. Bad Bunny again. Bad Bunny is just killing it at the moment. He's got like a lot of songs on the charts right now. No crash. No crash. So that is 2 out of 9. Number 10 is a very old song, Kate Bush. I'm not going to do this song because this song is from like 30 years ago. Let's go to another song. We'll skip this Bad Bunny track. So this will be our 10th song. About Damn Time, Lizzo.
It's bad bitch.
Okay, no crash into the verse.
Feel right now.
Okay, the pre-chorus, there's no crash.
I might be better.
There was a little crash there. Very high, short crash. Let's hear that again.
Might be better.
Psst, very nice. Okay, so 3 out of 10. What can we gather from this? We can say that looking at the top 10 right now, May 2022, 70% of the songs do not have a crash cymbal. And I think it's very interesting. You might ask yourself, well, why do you think that's happening? I mean, my feeling is that I think what's happened over the last 20, 30 years is that the sort of real musicians, like the people who could play instruments, are kind of being pushed out of the music industry over the last 30 years as computer musicians have taken over. And a lot of those computer musicians, as much as they have great ears, good feeling, and good talent for writing songs, they don't know these traditional tricks of drum fills and crashes. And I think what happens is they kind of write music more based on loops and more based on vibes and drum beats, not so much drum fills and crashes. So I think what's happened is they've forgotten about it. And I think what's happened is the more the new generation don't use it, then the professional musicians copy them, because it kind of dates the song in a way. It's like it can. Maybe it's one of those things that's an option now. It's an option. If you want to put it in your song, then you can. There were 3 out of 10 songs had crashes. So you can still get a big song on the charts using a crash cymbal. But it also means that you don't need to use a crash cymbal to get a big song on the charts. So yeah, I think that we've cleared that up. I mean, we could go through 100 songs. I'm pretty sure it'll be something similar. It'll probably be 70-60% of the songs don't have a crash cymbal going into the chorus, which would have been completely unheard of 20 years ago. So that's a very interesting music chart trend. If you enjoyed that and you'd like to learn how to take your music to that next level, then listen to this, because I've created a free music production workshop that has helped thousands of music creators to massively improve their music. So what can you expect from this workshop? First of all, there's going to be 4 sessions, and in session number 1, I'm going to be giving you hundreds of gigabytes of free sounds. In session number 2, I'm going to be giving you 51 free audio plugins. I'm also going to show you how to set up a home studio cheaply and easily. I'm going to show you how to compose a great song even if you are a music theory dummy. I'm going to show you how to record and edit audio like a pro. We're going to cover EQ, compression, reverb, and effects, which are areas that many people get lost and confused in. I'm going to show you how to process your vocals in 5 easy steps. And finally, I'm going to teach you how to mix and master your music at a professional, world-class top 40 standard. If you would like to join me for the free workshop and get your music to that top 40 standard, then click the link in the description.